Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how can you fix your Spectrum cable box not working and there's no signal. So here's a check for your input, Coax and service. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Step 1, you need to verify your active service outages. Open a web browser on your mobile phone and sign in to your Spectrum account dashboard. Look for an active outage alert banner displayed at the top of your equipment screen. Alternatively, text outage to 3737874 to receive a real-time system status report for your zip code. Step 2. Cycle your television input source. Pick up your original TV manufacturer remote control, not the Spectrum remote. Press the physical input or source button on the controller. Select the exact HDMI port number, example HDMI 1, HDMI 2, that matches the physical cable plugged into the back of your cable box, that's a zoomer box not turning on, and a Spectrum arrays. Step 3. Unplug and reseat the HDMI cable. Turn off both your television set and your Spectrum cable box. Pull the flat rectangular HDMI cable straight out of the back of the box and the TV, which is a Spectrum cable box, disconnect. Inspect the metal pins for dust. Blow out any debris and push the wire back into both ports firmly until it clicks. Step 4. Secure the coaxial signal connections. Locate the thick, round coaxial cable attached to the rear panel of your Spectrum receiver, that's a Spectrum cable box which is disconnected. Turn the metal hexagonal locking nut clockwise to ensure it is tightened fully into the coax-in port, that's a Spectrum arrays. Place the opposite end of the wire to the wall outlet and verify it is also tightly hand screwed into the wall jack, which is the Spectrum arrays. Step 5. Perform a cold hard power reset. Unplug the black power cord directly from the wall outlet or your surge protector stripe, which is a Spectrum arrays. Disconnect the power pin from the back of the cable receiver completely. You need to disconnect from your Spectrum cable box. Leave the hardware completely dead for at least 60 seconds to flush out corrupted memory loops. That's a Spectrum arrays again. Step 6. Wait out the initial boot sequence. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet and attach the power pin back to your cable box. Watch the front display layout panel for flashing lights or text readings like boot or cast on your Spectrum arrays. Allow the receiver 5 to 10 minutes to finish downloading fresh network configuration maps before pressing buttons. That's on your Spectrum arrays. Step 7. Push a remote signal refresh. Launch the official My Spectrum app on your smartphone. Tap the Services tab at the bottom of the screen and select TV. Tap your broken cable receiver model, select Troubleshoot and click Send Refresh Signal to trigger a remote activation reboot on your Spectrum arrays. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.